Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my third project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of June. And guys, I'll be honest, I saw all these papers and I thought they are all very busy. How can I make my layout look as chaotic as possible while still looking pretty? And that was kind of my challenge to myself this month because I feel like I've been veering more into like a minimalist direction. And then this week we've all been sick in the house and it's been a real struggle. And so I was like, my mind is telling me messiness, chaos, bright colors, joy. Yes. I'm also this is like a foil piece. I think it's from Vicky Booten. It's from my stash. And the reason is because I needed something gold and foily to break up the pattern papers because even I knew that you need some sort of a mental break. And when I say mental break, it's funny because honestly, like, look what I'm doing there. Like, it's the most brightest piece of vellum I could find. Anyway, so I'm going to stick them all down. I'm not going to make you watch it all, but basically the solid pieces of paper I'm just sticking straight down. And then for the vellum, knowing that I'm going to overlap it on the right side, I only put the tape on the right side so you can't really see it through it. This vellum is also slightly coloured, so I couldn't see it anyway, but yeah, that is what I'm doing. So I'm just layering those using my ruler to make sure that that's all lined up properly because it would be very obvious if it was wonky. And I'm adding my last piece, and as you can tell, it is bonkers busy, but I love it, especially that shine. My photos are all different colors as well, so there's a photo of like the cityscape and then in the background, but then we went to this is my birthday, by the way. Oh my goodness, sorry, this is a layout on my birthday. I can speak. I said in my video last week I'm super sick, and I have been. We've all been sick all week, and it's just been crazy. So I apologize. Anyway, so we took the photo at the foreshore, and so we saw the beautiful cityscape, and then we went to the zoo, which is right near the foreshore where I live, and then so it's all different colors. So that's why I feel like it works. But what I often do when I do a layout like this, and I have done layouts very similar to this in the past, I have the grounding piece, which is usually just a plainish piece of paper that just has a holding place for my for my photos to sit on. Otherwise, it looks like they're floating, and then the chaos gets a little bit too much, even for my liking. So I backed those with some chipboard, very, very thin chipboard, just to solidify it a little bit. And then I'm going and I'm sticking them down and now embellishing. I like these giant labels, and some of these labels are actually holographic, and they mimic the holographic leaves from that specialty paper that I added. So I was like, that's nifty. I do add this little tabby label thingy, but I do get rid of it because I stick down something and then I'd stick it down wrong, and it was just like a thing, and then I ripped it up, and yeah. So I loved these embossed gold die cuts, and even though this layout has got absolutely nothing to do with a bird, I mean zoo, bird, animal, right, ish. Anyway, I do add the little birdie down the track as well, which, oh, do I? No, I don't. I added in the project another day. So there you go. Whoopsie me. Next week it'll have that project. I used the chipboard frames to kind of like create a bit of a winky wonky frame around each of my clusters. I could keep recording, but I could pause recording, but where's the fun in that? Anyway, so I'm using those frames, and then I thought they looked fun, like being at an angle. And then I'm adding birthday, and then I'm taking, this is just my stash, that piece, it's just called Celebrate. I am very aware that as a title makes zero sense because it's not grammatical and it doesn't mean anything. So it's birthday celebrate, but I'm like, I hope people just correct it in their mind. Like if they see it, they think birthday celebrate, oh, probably birthday celebration, or birthdays and celebrate, or whatever. I don't really care. I needed something swoopy. That's all I knew. I needed like to juxtapose the blocky title. I needed a swoopy title too, or a scripty title. Wow, guys, I'm so sorry you have to listen to all of that. Anyway, I'm adding my journaling, and then I am done. Thank you for joining me. I will see you all again next week with another very rambly video. Bye.